If you're looking to create a coming soon page in LeadPages, you're in the right place. In this quick LeadPages tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process so you can have your coming soon page up and running in no time. But stick around because I'm also going to reveal a better alternative for the same goal at the end of this video. Let's dive in. First, after logging into your LeadPages account, you'll want to head to the dashboard and click on Create New Landing Page. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a range of templates, but for a coming soon page, you want something sleek and simple, something that builds anticipation. Select a template that reflects this. You'll find plenty of pre-designed options, so pick one that speaks to your brand and message. Next, once you've chosen your template, it's time to customize it. The most important elements for your coming soon page are a clear headline, an enticing sub-headline, and of course, an opt-in form to collect emails. LeadPages offers an easy drag and drop editor, so you can modify the text and images with just a few clicks. Make sure your headline is compelling. Something like, "Get ready for something big," works great. Keep your sub-headline brief, but impactful, like, "Sign up now to be the first to know." The third thing you need to consider is your form. This is where LeadPages shines with its user-friendly features. Drag in the form element and adjust the fields as needed. For a coming soon page, asking for just a name and email is enough. But if you're looking to get more specific, you can always add more fields, though keep in mind, less is more for conversion. Next, think about your call to action button. It needs to grab attention and guide your visitors. Use text like "sign up now" or "be the first to know." You want people to feel like they're signing up for something exclusive. And don't forget to connect your email service provider to LeadPages to automatically manage your signups. The fifth thing to keep in mind is to make sure your page is mobile friendly. LeadPages has responsive templates, but it's still worth checking how it looks on mobile. Since most visitors will be browsing from their phones, you want to make sure your page is optimized for that experience. Next, before you publish, test your page. LeadPages gives you the option to preview how the page will look live. It's a good idea to check the page across different devices and browsers to ensure consistency. If everything looks good, you can hit the Publish button and your coming soon page is live. Now, here's where I'm going to be real with you. While LeadPages is a solid choice for creating coming soon pages, it's not the only option. LeadPages can get a little expensive, and if you're a small business or just starting out, you may find better alternatives out there, especially if your goal is to convert visitors into loyal customers. If you're not convinced by LeadPages or want something more affordable with some extra features, I've got you covered. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing a competitor that I recommend, which not only offers a free trial, but also comes with more flexibility and better tools to help you build your list and generate leads faster. Lastly, if you're still set on LeadPages, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available for LeadPages, plus some amazing additional benefits just for our viewers. But remember, I'll also be sharing that competitor, which might just be a better fit for your needs, so don't miss out on that. Go ahead, click the link, and take advantage of both options.